Community Hospital opened in 1921. It was the first hospital to exclusively serve African Americans. James Walker Hospital in Wilmington was a predominantly white medical center. There was a special section for black people, but doctors were not allowed to treat patients there. In 1958, New Hanover County residents approved a bond to build a new hospital that would serve all patients, both black and white. New Hanover Regional Medical Center would open in 1967. The community hospital was torn down in 1978.
This local history feature is sponsored by the NC Department of Health and Human Services. We can help manage the impact of COVID-19 in our communities by taking control and staying up to date. Visit myspot.nc.gov to find safe and effective vaccines.